Learning window. Defining an adjective. Describing words are called adjectives. Adjectives describe the nouns or pronouns or add something to its meaning. They are often placed close to the nouns or with be verbs. Examples: Vikram bought a black leather jacket on Sunday. The patient needs immediate attention. Kinds of adjectives. You have learnt about the 6 different types of adjectives in the previous classes. Let us quickly revise these adjectives. A. Adjectives of quality. These adjectives describe the kind or quality of a person or thing. They give an idea about the characteristics of the noun by answering the question, what kind of? Examples: Suman has a beautiful voice. He is a gifted musician. They include shape, size, color, taste, appearance, material, origin, and other qualities of person or thing. B. Adjectives of quantity. These adjectives specify the quantity of a thing. They answer the question, how much? They are used with uncountable nouns: some, little, much, enough, any, sufficient, whole, great. Are examples of adjectives of quantity. Examples: Virat showed much patience. We have enough time to finish the work. C. Adjectives of number. These adjectives tell us how many people or things are being talked about. They answer the question, how many? Adjectives of number are of 3 kinds. 1. Definite numeral adjectives. These adjectives tell us the exact number of people or things. They are of 2 kinds. Cardinals state the number of people or things. 1, 5, 20, 60 are examples of cardinals. Examples: Jatin has been working in this organization for 25 years. The 7 rooms in this house have been designed according to different themes. Ordinals state the order of people or things in a series. First, second, third, last are examples of ordinals. Examples: The old man was the 5th person whom we stopped to ask for directions. Today is the last day of the carnival. 2. Indefinite numeral adjectives. These adjectives do not denote an exact number. Few, all, no, several, some, many, certain, most are examples of indefinite numeral adjectives. Examples: We saw several animals, but no tiger on the jungle safari. Most students in this class are very hardworking. 3. Distributive numeral adjectives. These adjectives are used when the persons or things are taken one at a time. Every, each, either, neither, another, other are examples of distributive numeral adjectives. Examples: Each student will get a different set of questions in the test. Neither proposal was accepted by the management. D. Demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives point out to which person or thing is meant. They answer the question, which one or which ones? This, that, these, those, certain, and such are examples of demonstrative adjectives. Examples: This encyclopedia has all the information you need. These vegetables are grown organically in my kitchen garden. E. Interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used along with nouns to ask questions. What, which, and whose are examples of interrogative adjectives. Examples: Which book will you buy? Whose jacket is that on the floor? F. Possessive adjectives. These adjectives show possession or belonging. They answer the question, whose? My, your, his, her, its, our, your, their are examples of possessive adjectives. Examples: this is her travel journal. Your books are on the table. Let us now learn about emphasizing and proper adjectives. Emphasizing adjectives. The adjectives that are used to emphasize or to show strong feelings are known as emphasizing adjectives. Own, very, complete, utter, total, absolute, pure, perfect, genuine, outright are examples of emphasizing adjectives. Examples: I made these candles with my own hands. This is the very place we saw him yesterday. Her face reflected pure pleasure. The school cleanliness project was a complete success. Proper adjectives. Adjectives derived from the proper nouns, that is, the names of geographical places, countries, continents, states, etc., are known as proper adjectives. These adjectives are often used to describe the source or origin. Examples: we ordered Italian food at the restaurant. Our aunt brought some Swiss chocolates for us. The Japanese paper cranes are meant for good luck. The English Parliament is in session. Learning window. Correct use of some adjectives. Some, any. Some is used with positive sentences and any is used with negative sentences. Examples: we donated some furniture to the village school. The health center does not have any high-tech equipment. In interrogative sentences, both some and any are used. We use some if an affirmative answer is expected, and we use any if a negative answer is expected. Examples: would you mind lending me some money? Is there any milk left in the fridge? Much, many. Much indicates a large quantity of something and is used with uncountable nouns. Many indicates a large number of something and is used with countable nouns. Examples: many students have shown interest in playing hockey. I do not have much knowledge of computers. In interrogative sentences, much and many are used with how to ask questions. Examples: how many students attended the art and craft workshop? How much time do you need to complete this project? Little, a little, the little. Little, a little and the little denote quantity and are used with uncountable nouns. Little has a negative connotation, meaning there is not much of something. A little refers to a small amount, at least some of it. The little refers to the whole, though not much of something. Examples: Jyoti earns a little money. The little money that Jyoti earns is not sufficient for her. Jyoti has little money to spare for the party contribution. I have a little flour to make bread with. I have to buy some bread from the store, as I have little flour at home. The little flour that I have is not sufficient to make bread. Few, a few, the few. Few, a few, and the few also denote quantity, but are used with countable nouns. Few indicates that something is not sufficient, almost none. A few has a positive connotation. It indicates a small amount, at least some of it. The few indicates all of them, though not many. Examples: Rahul was sad because he had few friends. Rahul made a few friends at the new school. The few friends he had played with him daily. Therefore, Rahul was happy. Older, oldest, elder, eldest. Older and oldest denote age. They can be used with both persons and things. Examples: Seema is older than Jyoti. Mrs. Chatterjee is the oldest lady in this colony. This is the oldest tree of the village. Elder and eldest are used with close family relations, like brother, sister, son, daughter. Examples: Ravi's elder brother is a doctor. My eldest sister lives in Australia. Rohan is the eldest among all the siblings. Later, latter, latest, last. Later and latest denote time. Latter and last denote position. Examples: The boy sitting in the last row is a good dancer. Team Australia and Team India entered the finals. The latter won the match. We can start the party. Uncle Tom will join us later. What is the latest score? Nearest, next. Nearest indicates the shortest distance away. Next indicates order or position. Examples: Who lives nearest to the library? My house is next to the park. Comparatives ending in or, senior, junior, inferior, and superior are the adjectives ending in or. They are followed by to and, not than. Examples: This cloth fabric is superior to the other one. She was junior to me by 2 years. As, so, as. As is usually used with positive statements. It indicates that things or people are equal in some way. Examples: Nilima is as kind as her mother. This camera is as good as I expected. So, as and as both can be used with negative statements. Examples: Ritika is not so intelligent as her sister. Ritika is not as intelligent as her sister.